Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today's video I am going to show you all how I quickly and easily remove my polygel nails. So as you see, I start by clipping my nails down, and I make sure to check the back of my nails so that I don't make the mistake of cutting down my natural nail. Then I am using my Melody Susie e-file and my 5-in-1 nail drill bit to remove my gel polish and try to get the product as thin as can be. I am taking my time and I'm being very careful, and I'm trying to get this polygel down to a very thin layer. I do have my e-file on around 6,000 RPMs, and I'm just taking my time and getting these nails down very, very low. And once I have my nails down to minimum product, then I use my hand file. And today I am using my Melody Susie hand file. This is a 180/100 grit nail file. And I'm just taking my time to remove the rest of the product from my natural nail. And once I removed all of the polygel, I go ahead and add a little cuticle oil to my natural nails, and then I'm just gonna buff my nails so that they're nice and smooth. And these are how my natural nails look, nice and healthy. So I hope you all learned a quick and easy way on how to remove polygel nails.